Coriolis has been around for more than 16 years, and we have built a very successful track record with our clients. We've worked with more than 800 clients and customers worldwide, both in the Americas as well as in Europe, as well as in Asia. And we have been expanding on those global reach.
We have seen standard maps to complex molecules and have very successfully developed those molecules. With Coriolis Pharma, you have a service provider offering end-to-end services from preclinical stage up to commercial and lifecycle management. We have integrated our services of formulation development services, analytical services, and manufacturing services.
Coriolis has been working with numerous modalities over the past years, starting from biologics, proteins, antibodies, nucleic acid therapeutics, now viral vectors, gene and cell therapy.
We're working with companies to accelerate and de-risk their product development journey. We can anticipate risks. We can therefore mitigate and work with our clients to be able to change the trajectory if needed, but to move as accelerated as possible.
The accelerator service platform that Coriolis has launched with the developability assessment and pre-formulation screening is a service offering where we utilized our knowledge over the last 16 years, optimized the methods in a way that has never been done before.
Based on our experience that we do the work that is required, that we see risks at an early stage, but also can speed up where we know, based on our experience, that it is possible. For me, the Coriolis effect is combining science and product development experience in such a way that we not only transform the molecules of our client into a drug product that can at the end cure patients and improve quality of life, but we always want to do it in such a way that the client really experiences it as a positive journey working together with us here.
The Coriolis effect is the wow effect. With the Coriolis effect, you start at the very beginning in planning your project right. The Coriolis effect means when everything comes together perfectly.